First-degree arson, what criminal defendants need to know. Welcome. Today we're going to delve into a serious crime, first-degree arson. If you or someone you know is facing charges, it's crucial to understand what this means. Please note, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Always consult with a professional attorney for legal advice. First-degree arson is the act of intentionally setting fire to a building or structure, typically where people are present, with the intent to cause harm or damage. This can include homes, businesses, schools, and more. The key element here is the presence or potential presence of people, which significantly increases the potential for harm and, therefore, the severity of the crime. It's important to note that the definition of first-degree arson can vary from state to state. However, the common thread is the deliberate act of starting a fire with the intent to cause damage or harm. The legal consequences of first-degree arson are severe. Depending on the jurisdiction, a conviction can result in a lengthy prison sentence, hefty fines, and a permanent criminal record. The exact penalties vary by state, but in general, you can expect a prison sentence of several years, potentially up to 20 or more, and fines that can reach into the tens of thousands of dollars. In addition to these legal consequences, a conviction for first-degree arson can also have significant personal and professional repercussions. It can affect your ability to find employment, secure housing, or even maintain custody of your children. If you're facing first-degree arson charges, it's crucial to have a strong defense. This might include proving that the fire was accidental, that you were not the one who set the fire, or that there is insufficient evidence to prove your guilt. Remember, in a criminal case, the prosecution must prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. A skilled defense attorney can help challenge the prosecution's case and protect your rights. Other potential defenses could include arguing that you had no intent to cause harm or damage, or that the property in question was not occupied at the time of the fire. Again, the specifics of your defense will depend on the details of your case and the laws in your jurisdiction. If you're facing first-degree arson charges, it's essential to seek legal counsel immediately. An experienced attorney can guide you through the legal process, help you understand your options, and work to defend your rights. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about first-degree arson. What is the difference between first-degree arson and other degrees of arson? First-degree arson typically involves setting fire to an occupied building or dwelling, whereas other degrees of arson may involve unoccupied buildings, property, or land. Can I be charged with first-degree arson if no one was hurt in the fire? Yes, the charge of first-degree arson is based on the act of intentionally setting fire to an occupied building, not on whether anyone was actually harmed. What if the fire was an accident? If you can prove that the fire was accidental, this could be a strong defense against a charge of first-degree arson. What should I do if I'm falsely accused of first-degree arson? If you're falsely accused, it's crucial to seek legal counsel immediately. An attorney can help protect your rights and build a defense on your behalf. Remember, the information in this video is just a starting point. The law is complex and varies by location, and every case is unique. Your attorney can provide advice tailored to your specific situation. When choosing an attorney, look for someone with experience in criminal defense, and specifically with arson cases. They'll understand the nuances of the law and will be able to build the strongest possible defense on your behalf. In an arson case, the investigation process is crucial. Investigators will look at the fire's origin and cause, and may also consider factors like insurance policies and financial records. Your attorney can work with experts to review this evidence and challenge the prosecution's findings. They can also help protect your rights during the investigation process. If your case goes to trial, your attorney will represent you in court. They'll cross-examine the prosecution's witnesses, present evidence in your defense, and argue on your behalf to the judge or jury. The trial process can be complex and intimidating, but with a skilled attorney by your side, you can navigate it with confidence. Let's address a few more frequently asked questions. What kind of evidence is used in an arson case? Evidence can include physical evidence from the fire scene, witness testimony, video surveillance, and financial or insurance records, among other things. Can I be charged with arson if I own the property that was burned? Yes, you can still be charged with arson if you own the property. The crime of arson involves the intentional setting of a fire to damage property, regardless of ownership. What if I was just present when the fire started, but didn't start it myself? Being present at the scene of an arson fire does not automatically make you guilty. However, it's important to consult with an attorney to understand your rights and potential defenses. Remember, when it comes to legal matters, always seek professional advice. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.